Do you know what it takes to achieving significant financial success, or for that matter any other success? But in this video we are focusing only on financial success, or mainly, and transitioning from an average lifestyle to one of the fortune involves strategic planning, disciplined execution, and continuous personal growth. Here are 5 essential strategies to help you land and execute this journey. Set clear and ambitious goals. With the vision and clarity, you can build up an action plan. First and foremost, define your goals. Clearly outline what financial success looks like for you. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, which we otherwise call SMART goals. Create a vision board. Visualize your goals by creating a vision board that represents your dreams and ambitions. This keeps you motivated and focused. Why? Because it is always in your sight. You can see it, you can visualize it, and it constantly reminds you of your goals, your objectives, your vision, what you want to achieve, so that you can realign your task, your activities, your actions with your vision, with your goals, with your objectives, with your success. This way you can stay on track with your financial success journey. Now, your action plan should be to break down goals and set deadlines. Divide your main goals into smaller and manageable milestones. Assign realistic deadline for each milestone to keep yourself on track. Investing in self-education and skill development is really important, and that's our strategy number 2. Focus on continuous learning and network and mentorship. Acquire knowledge, develop skills, build a network, and find mentor. Invest in learning about finance, investments, and business. Read books, take online courses, and attend workshops, seminars which guide you, coach you, and teach you these skills. Focus on acquiring skills that are in high demand and can significantly increase your earning potential. This might include skills in technology, management, financial education, or entrepreneurship. Now, building a network involves being with those people who you want to model. Surround yourself with successful and like-minded individuals. Networking can provide opportunities, advice, and support. Seek mentorship from someone who has achieved the level of success you aspire to. A mentor can provide guidance, insight, and shortcuts to success. The next strategy, number 3, is master financial discipline and management. And I think that's where most of us are really struggling. That doesn't mean the other ones we are not struggling, but this is the one where mostly we are struggling, or most of us, those who are not financially free, those who are not successful yet. And this involves budgeting and saving, finding the leaking points, right, in your current finances, and investing wisely. First and foremost, you need to create a budget. Develop a detailed budget that tracks your income, expenses, and savings. Stick to it rigorously. Make sure there are no leakage points. Develop an emergency fund. Establishing an emergency fund helps you to cover unexpected expenses and prevent financial setbacks. The second part of this strategy is investing wisely. What are the investments? Learn about them. Educate yourself about different investment options, different strategies, different opportunities such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds, cryptos, possibly other options as well. Diversify your investment. Spread your investment across various asset classes to mitigate risk and maximize returns. Last but not least, do consult financial advisors. Seek professional advice to create a robust investment strategy which is tailored to your goals. Strategy number 4, build multiple streams of income. Can be entrepreneurship, passive income, and there are different strategies out there, but I would briefly give you a glimpse of a couple of them so that at least it starts you to get into thinking about those opportunities. Starting a business might be an option. Identify a niche market and start a business. Entrepreneurship can significantly increase your income and provide financial independence. Side hustles. Explore side hustles or freelance opportunities that align with your skills and interests. Now, you must be thinking, what about passive income? It could be crypto, stocks, real estate investments, dividends, and royalties. Invest in rental properties to generate steady passive income. Affiliate programs could be another option. Invest in dividend-paying stocks or create intellectual property like music, books, software that can earn you royalties. Last strategy, the 5th one, cultivate a growth mindset and resilience. Positive attitude. Adopt a growth mindset. Believe in your ability to grow and succeed through hard work and learning. Embrace challenges as opportunities to improve. Stay motivated, stay consistent, stay persistent with your strategies, execution, actions. Regularly revisit your goals and vision to stay motivated. Celebrate small victories along the way. Now, in order to resilience, you must be wondering, what do I need to do? It's very simple. Embrace failure. View failures as learning opportunities. Analyze what went wrong, adapt, and move forward. Stay persistent. Success often requires time and perseverance. Stay committed to your goals even when faced with setbacks. Now, of course, it may sound easier, or to some it may be a little bit difficult, but the key point is you can't become wealthy overnight. It just doesn't happen like that. It just doesn't work like that. You need to know the principles. You need to know the core concepts. You need to learn and upgrade your knowledge, how others have done it. For example, model the wealthy people, the financially free people in your life. Try to network with them, try to learn from them, try to read the books on the subject, have a supportive network, be with those people, find somebody who can mentor you from this perspective on this subject. And one critical thing that I wanted to highlight is that you can't get rich without taking risk. Of course, I'm not saying that take risk and get your money wasted somewhere. Take risk, but in a way that you know about it, what it takes, what is the time that I need to wait for on my return. So for example, if you become an investor in startup companies, an angel investor or so, make sure that it might not just become successful, and if it does, then what is the ROI that you will get? So nothing becomes without risk. So that's why you need to educate yourself and find somebody who can mentor you, somebody who has achieved this success, and employ all of these 5 strategies which we discussed, like set clear and ambitious goals, have a vision, have clarity, build an action plan, invest in self-education and skill development on the financial aspect, build a network, develop skills, acquire knowledge, master the financial discipline and manage it. Start with budgeting and saving, investing, right? Build multiple stream of income. Don't just focus and rely on one thing. Your job, you can lose it. Or if you have one sort of business, what happens if it goes like down, if it just turns off. Just imagine what happened to many businesses during and after the COVID in 2019 and afterwards. So anything could happen. That's why you need to have multiple streams of income. Cultivate a growth mindset and resilience. Embrace failures, stay persistent, adopt a growth mindset, stay motivated, employ these strategies, learn from others, be with people who are learning or who are earning, right? And keep learning. Be in those seminars where you get to learn something which is not in your domain. Go learn something out of your domain. Transitioning from average to fortune requires a blend of clear goal setting, continuous self-improvement, financial discipline, diversified income streams, portfolios, and a resilient mindset. By following these 5 strategies, you can pave the way to achieving significant financial success and creating a life of abundance and fulfillment.